Adobong gata, adobong hamba. Ano yung hamba? Pininyang adobo, spicy adobo. Hamba. Ito yung ingredients niya. Pork pata, liempo, slice, and then this hamba sauce, water, banana blossoms, and salt. Mother's Choice adobo mix. Mother's Best adobo. Magkano? 119? My God, magkano isa? Oh, 99 cents. Panama adobo mix, savory sauce. Magkano? 4 na piraso for $3. Yan. Toyo and vinegar. Adobong chicken. Adobong pork. Magkano yan? $3.99. Jesus Christ. Kakunti lang naman. May tao. Alright, so ngayon magluluto tayo ng adobo. Adobong beef. So unang ilagay dyan is yung oil, of course. Pero damihan natin ng konti. Alright, that's good. And then, may iba nga palang ingredients to. Wala siyang patatas. Unahin natin yung garlic, onions, ginger. Tapos, yung beef. And then, repolyo. Kasi, hindi natin lalagyan ng patatas or potatoes. Okay. And garlic. In. Lutuin lang ng konti. Tapos ilagay yung ginger. And in. Alright. Then, haluin lang ng konti ulit. And then, onions. But ayaw mahulog. Yan. So habang niluto yan, gusto kong lagyan siya ng laurel. Kaso nga lang yung laurel ko parang nadurog na ata. So okay lang. Kung makain yung laurel, okay lang. Hindi yung mamamatay. Panlasa rin yan. Black pepper. Good. Kailangan marami ng konti. That's good. Yung salt, kailangan ko nga pala ng 2 hands kasi kailangan i-grinder siya. So I have to grind it. Okay, pag nalagay mo na, kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng karne. Konti lang yung karne ko eh. Hindi masyadong marami. Gusto ko maraming vegetables. Pero, okay na yan. Dalawa lang naman kami kakain. Alright. And then, suka or vinegar and soy sauce. Marca piña and dato puti. Pero hindi natin alam kung sino mag-sponsor sa atin. So, bahala sila kung sino ang gusto. And vinegar. Konti lang. Alright, that's good. Laksan na po eh. Fire. Okay, siguro pag malapit ang maluto, half cook na siya. Lagyan ng gulay. So para noon, mas malinamnam. Kung po pwede, hanapin mo yung oyster sauce. Jason. Okay, hanapin ko yung oyster sauce. Alright, so pag malapit ang maluto, kailangan mo siyang halo-halo ng konti para na mabiling yung ibang gulay na hindi pa luto. Okay, medyo misabaw siya pero parang matutuyo ng konti. Okay lang, okay lang. So ito ngayon yung soy sauce again and dagdagan ng konti. Yeah. Okay, tapos yan, black pepper and also paprika. Paprika. Bakit paprika? Kasi gusto ko mag-spicy ng konti. Yun! So yan, luto na yan. Kailangan yan i-transfer. Oh yes. Sa platong ulam. Hulaan mo kung ano yan. Tikman mo.
Steak.
Ha?
Steak.
Steak? Sigurado ka? Steak? Ano to? Pasa?
Steak!
Oh, steak. Mistake? Mistake or success?
Huh?
Ano lasa? Malat? Hindi naman eh. Eh, ulam yan eh. Hindi lagyan mo sa kanin.
Eh, pinakitikin mo.
Uh-huh. Mhm. Alright. So habang kumakain ng adobong baka, pinapanood si... Sino to?
Bayani.
Siyempre, si Bayani. Sino pa?
So, seriously.
Ganda ng view oh. Kaso nga lang, slow motion pa siya oh. Nakasinyalas. Tapos nang kumain, naubos na yung kanin. Yung ulam, hindi. Mainit. Babe. Ooh. Sorry. I know you just showered. Alright, so today we're going to be cooking Bopis. I'm going to show you what a heartbroken looks like. Heartbroken. See? It's open. So watch and subscribe to my channel. It's under my profile name. And the main ingredients is pretty much the heart or pig's heart, and then liver and ground pork. And we are watching this guy. Everything that you see here is going to be on the Bopis recipe. Garlic, onions, ginger, carrots, jalapeno, Thai chili pepper with vinegar, but it doesn't have to be this one. So I know it's kind of dirty and my hands are all bloody, but because it's heart, of course it's going to be bloody. Alright, so what I did is I mixed the heart and the liver, and there's about 2 pounds of heart and 1 pound of liver, and mixed all together. I don't have any salt and pepper yet, but I need to add the ground pork, which is 2 pounds. So now moving on to the chilies, and I got jalapeno here, 1 jalapeno and Thai chilies, 2 carrots, 1 onion, garlic, ginger, ground pork along with the heart and liver. Alright, time to do this. Oil, ginger, garlic, onions, mix all together. And grab something to mix it, like a tong over here. So, fire up. And then, of course, the carrot. Now, salt and pepper. I gotta use 2 hands. Salt, then pepper. The meat. And the vinegar. Alright, so vinegar, and also we have to add bay leaves. It doesn't really matter if it's a lot or not a lot. Depends on your taste. So I'm gonna grab 2 or more. Have a spoon of the ground anata seeds to make it more bloodier. And here comes white vinegar. It doesn't really have to be white. It can just be any type of vinegar. Putting a little is better than too much because you can adjust later on. Fire up. Let's see. Alright, I'm having a hard time stirring this because it's a little bit dry, but we don't want to add too much vinegar, so I'm going to add water, and the water will evaporate later on, and that should be fine. What is that called? Sal de ajo. Ajo or ayo? I don't know. Let me try this one and see if it's good or not. This is how I measure my ingredients to see if it's good or not, by tasting it. That is good. Now, you just need a little spice. You're crazy. Now it's really getting dry. Well, not really dry, but it's still soupy. I did taste this, but it feels like there's something missing because we don't have radish. We're gonna replace it with something else, which is soy sauce and fish sauce. Just a little bit. Oh my god. I feel like the carrots is not enough, so we have to go back to the fridge. And I happen to have baby carrots here. Oh crap. There you go, smack it. What's wrong with this thing? Babe! Lagi ko na yung jalapeno. Heart stew. Heartbroken stew. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, fire. And spicy. Which one? Yellow, green, red. And here's the spicy Bopis. Oh, snap. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Yes. Yes. Okay, this time it's not hot. It's spicy. Spicy and not hot. I mean, not spicy.